¿Qué tal, queridos amigos? Welcome to Learn Spanish World. My name is Mr. Briggs. I'm a qualified Spanish teacher. I upload videos every Friday in order to help you learn Spanish. So click the red button and subscribe. Today's video is entitled Calling the Roll in Spanish. High School Spanish. Muy bien. Are we ready? We're going to learn how to call the roll in Spanish and how to answer to it. A very useful word is the word Atención. Can you guess what it means? Atención. Guess, what do you think it means? Attention. Atención. Atención. Atención, estudiantes. Attention, students. Atención, estudiantes. Attention, students. See if you can repeat after me. Atención, estudiantes. La lista. That means the roll. It also means the list. Just remove the A from the word lista and that becomes list. Lista. La lista. Atención, estudiantes. Voy a pasar la lista. Attention, students. I'm going to call the roll or the list. Atención, estudiantes. Voy a pasar la lista. Oh, this one is a very important one. Silencio. Silencio. If you got a rowdy classroom, silencio. Now, how do you answer when they call the roll? You say presente. Present. Once again, we can see the similarities between English and Spanish. Presente. You can also reply aquí, which means here. Aquí. Can you say aquí? Aquí means here. So don't forget, you can either reply by saying presente or aquí. If somebody is not present, if the person is absent, you say ausente. Ausente, which means absent. Ausente. Siguiente, next one. You can also say no está aquí, which means that he or she is not here. No está aquí. No está aquí. Spanish speakers tend to speak faster, so they join words together. No está aquí. Formense Line Up. Now, true, not many high schools do this, but sometimes if you go on an excursion or for special occasions, you may be asked to line up. Formense. Formense Line Up. Very good, my dear amigos. Subscribe to my channel. There's a new video coming up very, very soon. So if you like this video, please give me a like and don't forget to check my playlist. I have more than 170 lessons for you, covering a wide range of topics. Muy bien, my dear amigos, it's been a real pleasure. Subscribe because there's a new video coming up this weekend in a few more hours. So if you don't want to miss out, click the red button and the bell. That way you will be notified. Notificado, which means notified. Excelente. Nos vemos. Hasta luego. See you soon.